Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to do an inspired Whitney Houston look, Barbie doll look from the Bodyguard. I'm going to say the Bodyguard music video edition. Each of our music videos, I'm going to try to do an inspired Barbie doll look for the music video. So the rest of the video, you'll just be seeing me in process of creating some of the looks, but I'm going to have all the looks at the end of the video. And make sure y'all thumbs up, subscribe, and at the end of the video, leave a comment. Let me know which doll is your favorite or which one you really like. What other ideas of dolls? You don't have to be about Whitney Houston. Any other doll video you would like to see about a DIY doll video idea. Leave it in the comments down below, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.